Yo, what's going on everyone? Superstar here, back with another video, and for today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to do the Latina makeup look. So let's get started. I'll be putting on some concealer. You have to apply it here, some touch up here, a little bit here, a little bit here. Make sure it's aligned, guys. Some here. You need to, I think I should put a little bit more of my hair this way. Put some up here, and up here, and up here. A little bit here, and a little bit here. And now I will be putting on some foundation. You can use either this, or this for your foundation. I personally will use this for the under eyes. We're gonna put a little bit of this here, a little bit here. And now we are ready to blend. Now the next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my eyebrows. What you need for eyebrows is you need this brand right here. It's kind of messy because I have a little bit of foundation and concealer on my hands, but let's apply. And you have to be very gentle when applying. The next thing I'm gonna do is the eyeshadow. What I recommend using is this color right here, so that way it matches. We're gonna put on a little cat eye look. Ooh, I kind of messed up. Mascara. This brand is the best. Time to curl them. And the last part is separating. The next thing that I'm gonna do is put on some blush. I personally recommend using some dry blush instead of the liquid one, but If you're more comfortable with the liquid, then by all means, I can't really tell you what to do. I'm gonna pick the darkest shade I have because that is what matches my skin tone. And we're gonna put it up here. So just like that and just like that. And we're gonna blend it. I might add a little bit more. Now it really does look like I'm blushing. Sorry guys, I ran out of storage, but I'm just using this for a YouTube video. Anyways, for the last and final step of the Latina makeup look is I am going to be using two different lip glosses. This one for the inner lip and this for the outline. The first thing that you want to start off with is the outline. Okay, and the last and final step is to apply the other lip gloss. Sorry, my hands are a little bit messed up. I was fixing my lip gloss. And that's how you do the Latina makeup look.